Hey, welcome to this video. If you arrived here, you're probably searching for a view of the near future report. So I'll go over how it works and give you my 2 cents, whether I think it's a good use of your time. I'm always coming up with videos like this, so consider subscribing. And if you like my free training, the number one simplest, fastest way to earn a full-time income from home, all you have to do is click the link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I could send you by free training if you want. The near future report, let's dive in. So what this is, basically is another one of those investing newsletters that focuses on stocks that have long-term potential, so not day trading. And mainly in the technology sectors, for example, artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, cloud computing. Now, the future report, it's written by this gentleman right here, Jeff Brown. You can read all about his credentials, his background. I won't get into that too much, but he has a master's in management from the London School of Business, over 25 years experience as a technology executive. So it looks like he has the credentials, but can he pick good stocks? That's really what it comes down to, right? It's not so much about what they say about themselves; it's about can they pick good stocks, right? Because I've come across some of these advisors have the cleanest backgrounds, but they're terrible at stock picking, basically. Now, but if you go to Stock Gumshoe, his ratings are actually pretty good, 3.4 stars out of 5. Anything above a 3 on here is worth checking out. Stock Gumshoe is like the trust pilot of investing newsletters. Just for some examples, he recommended a microchip company called NVIDIA a couple years ago. It tripled in value at its peak. It's gone down a bit since then, but what hasn't? He also recommended Cognex a couple years ago. That's a manufacturing company. It doubled in value before crashing. But if you sold at its peak, you'd be quite happy. He was pitching a semiconductor company 3 years ago, and it's been steadily increasing since then. Some of his more recent picks haven't been doing quite as well lately, but it's probably too early to tell. Again, this isn't day trading, and you want to be thinking long term. So now the price of the future report is $49 per year. Very standard for these sort of newsletters. And with your purchase, you'd be getting the newsletter itself once a month, and it will give you various stock picks that are worth selecting, he thinks, as well as market analysis and some commentary. You also get portfolio alerts and updates, so if anything pressing happens and you need to make adjustments throughout the month, that's what it's for. Also, a model portfolio that reveals his own stock picks, along with current share price, dividend rates, yearly growth, and more. Bonus reports. So what these are is long form presentations that focus on one specific topic at a time. It could be a stock pick, a sector, something in the news, a new investing strategy. And lastly, a one-page blueprint, which is just a summary of every monthly report that you can kind of skim and have as a reference. All in all, it's a perfectly good newsletter. It's cheap, just $49 a year, and then there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, and they're mostly good picks. Of course, there are upsells in the thousands of dollars, because that's how these advisors make most of their money. But no one's going to give you all their secrets for $49 a year. It just doesn't happen. Also, I would say with investing, any investing you're doing, whether it's with stocks, real estate, precious metals, crypto, understand that investing is a long-term strategy. It is possible to day trade, but that's very risky. What I suggest is buy and hold. So pick a portfolio, maybe 25 stocks, and hold them for at least 3 to 5 years, maybe more, 10, 20 years. And just do that. It's not glamorous, it's boring, but it works for the long term. So, and you're better off doing that than panicking, jumping ship, selling, buying and selling constantly. You're better off just sticking with a few and holding out for the long term. And that's it. And obviously diversify your risk, 25 picks or so at a time. Also understand with stock picking, so I mentioned it's a long-term thing. So this isn't money you can use right now. It's money that you're going to use years from now. So, but look, maybe you're here not necessarily because you're just interested in stock picking. Maybe you're also here to earn an income, and maybe earn an income from home, to grow your wealth that way. If that's the case, I was in your position 3 years ago. I tried all sorts of stuff. I tried blogging, freelancing, domain flipping, survey websites, crypto, you name it. I basically tried it all. And none of the strategies I was implementing seemed to be working for me. It was just a very confusing, frustrating time. But after 2 years, I was very fortunate. After 2 years of failing, I stumbled across some incredible information that taught me how to find a digital product someone else created, find a group of people who'd be interested in that product, and when I connect the two together, I earn a commission. It's called affiliate marketing. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is the profit margins are very high. You could be a solopreneur. There's tons of leverage and automation in place, so you don't have to be there all the time. And it's a very simple, beginner-friendly business model. It's not 100% passive. You have to do some work, but it's the most passive business model I'm aware of. And you can actually start. And then what I suggest is take whatever money you have left over from your job, the end of the month, put it into an online business like affiliate marketing, and then once you're earning way more from your online business than you ever could at a job, then take whatever's left over from that, and then you can put that into investments. I think that's the best way. That's the order to do it in, to grow wealth as quickly as possible. And with affiliate marketing, you would sell products you actually have an interest in. So if you are interested in investing, you could sell an investing newsletter, like this is the Motley Fool. This is an investing newsletter, stock advisor. You can earn $100 per sale, and I think it's also around $49 a year or something like that. But imagine you'd earn $100 per sale. Capitalist Exploits is another one you could earn. I think it starts at like $1 for the first month and then $30 a month. And then it's going to upsell people, which means you can make tons of money. And I think it's also around 50% commissions. But you don't have to sell investing courses or newsletters. You could sell weight loss, dog training, gardening, make money from home, lead generation, a course that'll teach people how to build a garden in their backyard, really anything you want. And that's how it works. So now if you'd like my free training on how you can build out your own very profitable online affiliate marketing business, what I suggest is click the link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I could send you my free training if you want. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this review of the near future report. I hope to see you on the other side of that link, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.